my client with breast cancer is already taking Elixir placenta. May naramdaman po siyang pagpitik sa breast niya. Dahil po ba ito sa Elixir placenta? Um, I think no, let me answer this by saying it may not be, no? Not necessarily, I'm sorry. Not necessarily it's because of Elixir placenta because marami akong mga pasyente na alam na nagkakaroon ng ganitong pakiramdam, yung mga pitik-pitik, no? Um, uh, but they are not taking Elixir placenta. Hindi naman sila nagtitake ng Elixir but they have this sensation, no? Later, mayroon pa isa ditong tanong that is similar to this, no? And I will be explaining it in further detail, no? Didetalye natin para masagot natin. But rest assured, let me just tell you, hindi po ito dahil sa Elixir placenta. As I said, even those na hindi nag-elixir placenta ay magkakaroon ng mga ganon pagpitik-pitik sa breast, no? It's not about pain, no? Ang tanong nga mamaya is more of the pain, no? During the treatment. So, moving on, let's go to question 3, no? Stage 3 breast cancer and 6 months pregnant. This is a complicated case, no? 6 months, may breast cancer siya. Umabot, and you see, no? Ang situation niya, okay lang po ba na mag-take ng Elixir placenta? My OB also recommended na mag-chemotherapy po ako. Salamat.